Wallich Residence Super Penthouse, Singapore. Situated at the top of Guoco Tower, the tallest building in Singapore, the Wallich Residence Super Penthouse is a marvel of modern architecture and design. Spanning 3 floors and covering over 21,000 square feet, this penthouse offers a 360-degree view of the city and Marina Bay. The Super Penthouse features 5 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms, and a master suite that includes a private garden and an outdoor terrace. The interiors are designed by the renowned firm Hirsch Bedner Associates and feature luxurious materials, bespoke furniture, and state-of-the-art technology. The living spaces are flooded with natural light, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the cityscape. Residents of Wallich Residence enjoy access to a range of amenities, including a private concierge service, a sky garden, an infinity pool, and a gym. The building also features a library, a lounge, and a dining room, providing residents with a complete lifestyle of luxury and convenience. With its prime location and unparalleled amenities, the Wallich Residence Super Penthouse is the epitome of luxury living in Singapore.